Hey guys, this is the third tutorial where we are going to work on displaying our users that are already there in the Firestore. And what I'll do is I'll just quickly head over to our user repository and create an instance of and public void get user in Firestore. This is a method and we'll create an interface on user available in Firestore, and what we need is void show list of user model list, and we'll also so let's just create a constructor and add this depend this class on the interface. So what is going to happen here? We'll just take a variable user id firebase fire. Okay, great. So what we'll do is firebase auth, the user id is going to be firebase auth get current user get uid, and we can add like if it's not null, so don't worry about it, just leave it like that. And Firestore, so what are we showing? We're showing the collections of users. Add on snapshot listener, you can use add on complete, but for that you would have to exit the app and come back again to show any changes. But add snapshot listener is like it shows you real-time changes. The way I was showing you user is offline or online, if we are using add on complete, then you would have to exit the app and come back or relaunch the activity or fragment for to see the change if user has logged the status is online or not. But in this one you will see the real-time updates. You will see later once I like implement that. So now here it's what's going to happen is we'll take an list and add whatever the data is available in Firestore into this list. But first we'll clear that list, because every time Firestore loads the data, it will add the data into that list. So if we do not clear it, then it would be duplicating our recycler view, the items in the recycler view. So what we'll do here is simple. We'll create a for loop document snapshot ds value dot get documents, and user model ds to objects user model dot class. If user id is not equal to, because I don't wanna display myself, because I am also available in this, but I wanna display except me. So user id is not equal to user model. It's not equal to user. So whoever is logged in should not display him. Get user id. Then what we'll do, we'll get this interface show list of users, and we'll first get the list, add this user model into it, and pass the list. So this is where we have created an interface, because if we use this class somewhere, this will automatically provide us this list in which we have added our model. I'll just write a note for you so in the GitHub you can read it. Because we have dependent this class onto this interface. So we'll go back to our view model, extend it as view model, and we'll take a mutable live data list, user model list, user model, mutable live data, new mutable live data. We'll create a constructor and we'll create instance of user repository because we want that method. So you see, if I don't write this like this, so it is giving me an error because this comes with the interface that we had created. So once I click on this, this is already providing me that updated user model list. And here I will get user in the Firestore in the constructor and we'll create a method public live data list user model get all the stupid users. And what I'll do is, first of all, in this mutable live data I would add this, and from here I will return this mutable live data and we are done. So what I'll do is, what is happening here is we are adding the list from the user repository into our mutable live data list and we are returning that as live data. So now all this is insignificant and this will be used in our main activity, sorry, in the user fragment. But before that we need an adapter. So we'll create an adapter, extend recycler view class my user, extend recycler view dot view holder. So what I'll do is I will create a constructor and adapter, user adapter. Okay, great. Implement methods. We'll take a list of user model list, public set void set user model list user model list, and this user model list is equal to this one. We will be using, I'll just write a note, we will add our list from the view model into the adapter. So what is happening here is we'll create if user model list is null, if there are no user to display, then return 0. This I'm doing it to avoid the null exception. Otherwise, whatever the size of the list is, display that. And what do we got here? We got text views username, we got circular image view, image of the user that we are not going to use right now, and we got an image view that is going to show the status. Still we are not working on that.